Hello, good day everyone. And this video is titled How to Make Money Online. Ladies and gentlemen, hello. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sabrina Ford, aka Brina Hustle, helping unify society towards lasting endeavors, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so today I want to talk about how you make money online. Real quick, real brief, all right? It's a lot of ways to make money online, right? But the number one way right now people making money online is through AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is taking over the world, ladies and gentlemen. Everything you do is powered by AI. There's so many ways to make money online through AI, having a business. So I am into affiliate marketing, network marketing, and I have my own business online. The best way to make money online is just to start. That's the best way. You got to start. And if you don't know what to do, you have to get connected. You have to pay for knowledge. The knowledge is not free. Even if you're looking at YouTube, you're paying that phone bill or that internet bill. So knowledge is not free. You're going to pay something, right? But YouTube is like a university. You can learn a lot on YouTube. You can learn a lot on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to tell you the best way to start making money online is to get you a coach. Get you coach and mentor. And get connected to people that's making money online. And that's how you start your journey to making money online. It's so many coaches out here that are teaching people how to make money online. It's not free. Don't be cheap with yourself. Okay? Don't be cheap with yourself. This is the season of multiple streams of income. I'm not encouraging anyone to quit their full-time job. I'm encouraging everyone to get a side business. Okay? That's what I'm encouraging you to do. It's so important to the world that we're living in because AI is taking over. So if you don't know about AI or anything about the computer, you're going to be lost. You're going to be lost, okay? You're going to be lost. So the best way to start making money online is to get you a coach or mentor or both and start your online journey to success. I can help you as well. I'm not claiming to be a coach, but I can definitely be your mentor. I can definitely guide you in the field that I operate in, or I can help you create a plan for whatever business it is that you have. Maybe you had an idea, maybe it's an invention, all right? And you just need some help, maybe with a business plan or a summary of you just need some help, right? I'm here to help. I'm here to help anyone that wants to create an extra stream of income inside their household. And like I said, the best way to do it is to get you a coach, get you a mentor, and let them help you so that you don't have to go through the pitfalls, all right? Trying to do it alone. If you do it alone, I promise it's going to take longer. If you do it with a team, a group of people, I promise you, you'll get there faster. So, if you're someone that don't have a lot of money, because it's levels to coaching, it's levels to it. So, if you don't even have $100 a month for coaching, maybe you don't have $50 a month for coaching, you could get my mentoring for free. I'm offering that to you. I've been coached by millionaires. Coach Stormy Wellington, if you ever heard of her, she was my coach. Coach Tanisha, Coach Sabrina Wright, Vicki Irvin. I've been mentored by, I sat down with Vicki Irvin. I paid this lady $1,000, ladies and gentlemen, to sit with her to get her blueprint to success. That was years ago. And guess what? I didn't follow the blueprint. She gave it to me. But I didn't work alongside her. I just paid one time. You have to work alongside a coach and a mentor. That's why I stay connected to my coach, Sabrina Wright. I stay connected to Stormy Wellington. I follow her on Instagram, YouTube. I listen to her. Okay? I'm always learning. Learning is never ending. Okay? So if you're someone that understands, learning is never ending. A lot of people ain't pick up a book since high school. Learning is never ending. And you're coachable. You can follow a blueprint, and that's what you want to do, and you want more money inside your household, and you want to start that extra stream of income, my information will be attached to this video. Let's connect. Let me help you start making an extra stream of income inside your household, ladies and gentlemen. I love you all. Peace and blessings, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, change your mind, change your life. This is your girl, Brina Hustle, a.k.a. Helping Unify. Sabrina Ford, a.k.a. Brina Hustle, Helping Unify Society towards lasting endeavors. How am I doing that? I'm rapidly impacting successful endeavors. On the side of me, attached to me, are 6- and 7-figure earners leading the way. You all have a great day, and I hope you join us on this mission, on this quest to becoming the best versions of ourselves. Have a great day. Bye-bye.